Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing how you can add new users in WordPress. I'll also show how you can edit them, delete them, and change from one user to another user role. Right, let's get into it. Let's see how you can add a new user. So first of all, go into your WordPress dashboard. You can do that by going to your site name /WP admin and logging in. And then go to users on the left hand side and then click on all users. Here you'll see that you've got a user already in here that's an administrator. That's when the site was set up, that's what they got. So to add a new user, click on add new and then give it a username. And then fill out the rest of the information. You can put a website address in if you want, and then click on generate password twice, and then that's the password set up. Underneath you've got an option to notify the user that the account's set up. If you untick it, it won't send the email. Leave it tick, it'll send. And then these are all the different roles. So we've got subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. And then click on add new user. So then you can see it's underneath there. If you want to edit a user, and let's edit the new user, hover over it and click on edit. Of course you need to go to users first and then click edit. In here you can change things like the colours and all sorts of different settings. So if you wanted to go for a sort of light colour, you could do that, but we'll leave it on the default. You can change stuff like the name, the last name, whatever they want to be called on WordPress as a nickname. So see where it says Bortuts there? That's what it is up there. So if you change that, it'll change that. And then you can change your email, website address, and all sorts of other information. And once you've made the changes, click update user. And then you can go back to the users and view them. If you want to change the role of a user from, say, being a subscriber to another role, you can do that by clicking here and go change role, and you could choose contributor and then click change, and you'll see how it changes there. You can also do it by going into it and then using the role option here, and you could change it to say author. Scroll down to the bottom and click update user, and then they'll have that level of access. To delete a user, go back to the users section and then hover over the user you want to delete and choose delete, and then click confirm deletion. If they have content, it might ask you if you just want to delete it altogether or if you want to assign it to another person, so just keep an eye out for that. I'm not going to click this, but you can if you like. If you wanted to bulk delete users, you can do that by choosing the ones you want to delete and then go into delete and then click and apply. If a user, for example, is struggling to get in and the password, they don't know the password, you can also send a link out to them. So if you hover over one of the users, you can choose the option send password reset, and as it says there, password reset link sent. You can also go in and go down to the bottom and send it when you're in here as well, and there it says. If you wanted to send password reset links in bulk, you can go to users again, select them all, choose bulk actions, send password reset link, and then just choose apply. Password reset link sent. and then they get sent out. Let's say you want to physically change the password of a user. You can do it again by going to Users and then go in, Edit, and go down and click on Set New Password. Click it again, and then you can advise the user of the password. Just make sure you press Update User first. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.